Hey there, this is K4A Knowledge for All Educational Videos and Tutorials. In this video today we are going to talk about how to create a new project in Unity, which one to pick, what if you make a mistake and so on. And the reason why I'm doing this is it's because I already made a video on previous video and deleted it about how to open asset in Unity, and it was a bit long, and also probably because I talked too much and talked too slow, but also because creating a project in Unity can sometimes take some time, and that is one of the reasons which I don't like this game engine. It has so much components, so much features, but sometimes it's just so robust and big and slow compared to for example Game Maker or some small game engines which you can use to make 2D games mostly, but they start fast, the projects are small in size, they open fast mostly, again, for most of those engines and stuff like that. And I hate when I have the stuff around me which I don't use, or it takes time to update it, to open it, to use it, and so on. So in this specific case, when you want to create something like a new project, you just go and open Unity Hub. You need to install Unity Hub in first place before you install Unity Engine, so I hope you did that. We talked about that before. Then you click on your top right corner, new project, and by default you have all the templates selected, but below it on your left top side you can pick core, sample, learning. Learning is tutorials which can help you to learn how to use Unity in best way. We have talked about in some of the previous videos. Sample are sample packages, sample projects which can help you to start faster with something which is already made by Unity for you. Like for example, if you want to make a multiplayer game, here it is, sample VR, virtual reality, and so on. And most of the time I guess you will just pick core and pick some of those projects here. Which one to pick here? Again, most of it's self-explanatory. So for example, if you want to make a 2D game, you would pick some of the 2D options. 2D for general, or 2D mobile if you go for mobile only, for example. Same with 3D. Do you want to make some kind of normal, casual, most expected 3D game? Here it is. If you want something more like AAA look and feel, more quality, go for high definition 3D. If you want to go and target the mobile platform, go for 3D mobile and something like that. VR, AR, multiplayer, and so on. So when you click and when you pick and then click on one of those, you can rename the project, which is also very important if you have lots of those. Pick the location, also very important. Organization, it's something which you have defined before. You have the options for connect to Unity Cloud, which lets you connect to their services. Again, I don't use those, I don't like those, I don't need those, at least for now. And if you click that one, then you can click use Unity version control. It's some kind of again something to help you if you have lots of versions, if you work in a bigger teams and have different versions of the same game, of the same project, because you add lots of features, new features, mechanics, then some of those don't work, then you go back to earlier version. It's just a again, not very useful for smaller indie teams or solo developers. And then you click on create project, which I'm not going to do that because it will take time, but okay, maybe we can just start to show you. But before that, again, you should think about what kind of assets you want to import into it, what kind of games do you want to make, and that is the first choice. Then create a project based on that. In my case, I will call this I will go for Universal 3D Core. I will call this test assets. Testing, or yeah, test. I will call this test assets, and then some other project, maybe test some tutorial and stuff like that, just to diversify and to know that this project is only to test assets. It's not some kind of my game project or something I work. It will help me only to test assets. So I will later, and we will see that in next video, I will later import some of those in it. This is only, again, I will now click on create project, and you can see how it starts, and it takes a couple of minutes at least for me, and that's why I have stopped the previous video. I didn't want to make a video about it. Maybe this time it will go faster, but anyway, I will stop it here, I think. But what I wanted to say, I wanted to import this asset and show you how to import it, but creating a project took some time, so I have just stopped making a video because of that. Yeah, simple as that. That's it for this video. 7 minutes, not bad, and we will continue this in next video. Bye for now.